The content provided on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice, and you should not consider any information presented here as a recommendation to buy or sell any financial instruments. Before making any financial decisions, please consult with a qualified financial advisor who can provide personalized advice based on your individual circumstances. The information shared may not be suitable for everyone, and past performance is not indicative of future results. By engaging with this content, you acknowledge that you are solely responsible for your financial decisions and that you should conduct your own research before making any investments. Time travel has long been a captivating concept, sparking the imagination of writers, scientists, and dreamers alike. The idea of moving through time, whether to the past or the future, opens up a world of possibilities that extend far beyond mere adventure. But have you ever considered the financial implications of such a journey? Imagine stepping into a time machine and finding yourself in the roaring 20s, armed with knowledge of stock market trends that could make you a millionaire overnight. Or picture yourself in a dystopian future where the economy has collapsed, leaving you financially stranded. The potential financial impacts of time travel are both thrilling and daunting. On one hand, savvy time travelers could exploit historical events, investing in companies before they skyrocket or avoiding financial pitfalls that would otherwise lead to bankruptcy. On the other hand, the risks are equally high. What if you inadvertently alter a significant event, causing a ripple effect that devastates your financial standing in the present? As we dive deeper into this thought-provoking topic, we'll explore the intriguing possibilities of becoming rich or going broke through time travel. From the ethical dilemmas of profiting from the past to the unpredictable nature of future economies, the financial landscape of time travel is as complex as it is fascinating. So buckle up, because this journey through time is not just about the adventure. It's about the wealth, or lack thereof, that awaits at the end of the timeline. The concept of time travel has intrigued humanity for centuries, blending science fiction with theoretical physics. At its core, the concept revolves around the possibility of moving between different points in time, much like we navigate through space. Various theories have emerged to explain how this might be achieved. One of the most popular ideas is the existence of wormholes, hypothetical passages through space-time that could create shortcuts between distant points in time and space. Another fascinating theory is time dilation, a phenomenon predicted by Einstein's theory of relativity, where time moves slower for objects traveling at high speeds compared to those at rest. This means that a journey through space at near light speed could allow a traveler to experience time differently than those left behind. The allure of time travel has been vividly captured in popular culture, inspiring countless movies and books. Classics like Back to the Future showcase the whimsical side of time travel, where characters navigate the complexities of their past to shape their future. Similarly, H.G. Wells' The Time Machine delves into the darker implications of time travel, exploring societal evolution and the consequences of meddling with time. This fascination with altering the past or peering into the future taps into our deepest curiosities and regrets. What if we could fix our mistakes or witness pivotal moments in history? The idea of time travel invites us to ponder not just the mechanics of moving through time, but the profound implications it would have on our lives and the world around us. As we explore these theories and cultural representations, we uncover the timeless human desire to understand and manipulate the fabric of time itself. Potential financial gains. The concept of time travel opens up a realm of financial opportunities that could be both exhilarating and ethically complex. Imagine having the ability to travel back to pivotal moments in history, armed with knowledge that could lead to significant profits. One of the most straightforward scenarios involves investing in stocks or real estate before they rise in value. For instance, if you could travel back to the early 2000s, you might invest in tech companies like Apple or Amazon, knowing how their stock prices would soar in the following decades. Similarly, purchasing real estate in areas that would later become hot markets could yield substantial returns, transforming a modest investment into a fortune. Historical events also present intriguing opportunities for profit. Consider the stock market crash of 1929. With foresight, a time traveler could short sell stocks before the crash, reaping enormous rewards. Alternatively, knowing the outcome of major sporting events could allow for strategic betting, leading to financial windfalls. However, these potential gains come with significant ethical implications. Profiting from time travel raises questions about fairness and the consequences of altering the timeline. Would it be right to exploit knowledge of future events for personal gain? What impact would such actions have on the present and future economies? The moral dilemmas surrounding time travel and financial gain challenge us to consider not just the allure of wealth, but the responsibilities that come with wielding such power. As we explore these scenarios, we must grapple with the balance between opportunity and ethics in the fascinating world of time travel. Risks of going broke. While the allure of time travel often focuses on the potential for immense financial gains, it's crucial to consider the significant risks that could lead to financial ruin. One of the primary dangers lies in making poor investments based on future knowledge. Imagine traveling to the future and discovering a company that appears to be a surefire success. However, if your information is flawed or if the market shifts unexpectedly, you could end up investing heavily in a failing venture, resulting in substantial losses. The unpredictability of markets, even with foreknowledge, can lead to disastrous financial decisions. Another critical risk involves the possibility of altering timelines, which could have unforeseen consequences. A seemingly harmless action in the past could create a ripple effect, drastically changing the present. For instance, if a time traveler prevents a minor event from occurring, it could lead to a chain reaction that alters the economy, rendering previous investments worthless. The complexities of cause and effect in time travel make it nearly impossible to predict the outcomes of any intervention. Additionally, the dangers of gambling or betting on future events cannot be overlooked. While the temptation to place bets on sports outcomes or financial markets may seem like a quick way to wealth, the inherent unpredictability of such events can lead to significant losses. Even with knowledge of the future, the risk of misjudgment remains high. As we explore the financial pitfalls associated with time travel, it becomes clear that the path to riches is fraught with peril, reminding us that with great power comes great responsibility. Legal and ethical considerations. The concept of time travel is not just a thrilling adventure, it also raises profound legal and ethical dilemmas that could reshape our understanding of morality and responsibility. One of the most significant implications of changing historical events is the potential impact on society. Altering even a minor event in the past could lead to a cascade of changes that affect countless lives, cultures, and economies. For instance, preventing a war or a disaster might seem beneficial, but the unintended consequences could create a reality far worse than the original timeline. This raises the question, should anyone have the power to alter history? And who decides what changes are acceptable? The legality of profiting from knowledge gained through time travel is another complex issue. If a time traveler were to invest in stocks or real estate based on future knowledge, would that be considered insider trading? Current laws are not equipped to handle the nuances of time travel, leaving a legal gray area that could lead to significant disputes. Furthermore, if time travel were to become a reality, new regulations would likely need to be established to govern its use and the ethical implications of its consequences. Moral responsibilities also weigh heavily on the shoulders of a time traveler. With the ability to change the past, comes the obligation to consider the broader implications of their actions. Should a time traveler prioritize personal gain over the well-being of society? The ethical dilemmas surrounding time travel challenge us to think critically about our choices and the potential ramifications, urging us to consider not just what we can do, but what we should do. Real-life applications and theories. While time travel remains a concept of science fiction, the theories surrounding it can offer valuable insights into real-world financial strategies. One such concept is predictive analytics, which utilizes historical data and statistical algorithms to forecast future outcomes. In many ways, this process mirrors the idea of time travel, as it allows analysts to look back at past trends to make informed predictions about what lies ahead. By leveraging predictive analytics, investors can gain a clearer understanding of market behaviors, helping them to make strategic decisions that could lead to financial success. Historical data plays a crucial role in informing future financial decisions. Investors who study past market trends, economic cycles, and historical events can identify patterns that may repeat themselves. For example, understanding the causes and effects of previous recessions can help investors prepare for potential downturns, allowing them to adjust their portfolios accordingly. This approach emphasizes the importance of learning from history, much like a time traveler would do when considering the implications of their actions in the past. Moreover, reflecting on past financial mistakes is essential for any investor. Just as a time traveler might wish to avoid the pitfalls of their previous choices, modern investors can benefit from analyzing their own missteps. By recognizing what went wrong in past investments, individuals can develop more robust strategies that minimize risk and enhance their chances of success. Ultimately, while we may not have the ability to travel through time, The principles derived from time travel theories can significantly enhance our understanding of finance, guiding us towards smarter, more informed decisions in the present and future. Conclusion. In exploring the fascinating concept of time travel, we've uncovered a myriad of potential financial impacts, both positive and negative. On one hand, the ability to invest wisely based on future knowledge could lead to significant wealth, allowing savvy time travelers to capitalize on historical events and market trends. However, the risks are equally pronounced, with the potential for poor investments, unintended consequences from altering timelines, and the ethical dilemmas that arise from profiting at the expense of others. As we've discussed, the ethical considerations surrounding time travel are paramount. The power to change the past or predict the future comes with a heavy responsibility. It's essential to weigh the moral implications of financial decisions, ensuring that actions taken today do not lead to detrimental outcomes for society tomorrow. This reflection on ethics is crucial not just in the realm of time travel, but in our everyday financial choices as well. We hope this exploration of time travel and its financial implications has sparked your curiosity and encouraged you to think critically about the intersection of finance and ethics. If you enjoyed this discussion and want to dive deeper into more engaging content like this, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who might also be intrigued by the possibilities of time travel. Your support helps us create more thought-provoking content, and we can't wait to explore more fascinating topics with you in the future.